Alright YouTube, there's still snow on the ground. Got another Arrival Maxima. It's been a while since I've done any cold crank videos. I figured I'd like this one, because this car does not like the cold at all. Let's see just how long it takes for her old girl to start. It's got 210,000 miles on it. And it's got a redneck push button start. It's 95 Maxima. Snow on the ground. This thing takes forever to crank. Maybe somebody on the internet can tell me why it's so hard to crank when it's cold. And yes, for you people watching, it does help fluttering the gas pedal a little bit, I guess, to help pull the sensors and all. Just barely fluttering it. If you put it to the floor, it won't crank. Alright, come on, you cold bitch. Nice radio. It's for sale, by the way. There it goes. Man, where'd the starter out just trying to crank this thing. Man, you cold-natured piece of junk. I think it's got a sensor bad or something. Try priming the fuel again. Man, she does not want to crank today. It's a good vid for y'all. I don't think she's gonna crank. You know one thing, if I get it crank, I need to let it run and charge a battery. Damn, 3 minutes of cranking. And I might have to get some help from my jump box. Where's that pole? It's a brand new battery too, $90 battery. Door lock. I'll try it one more time before it dies. I get some help from my jump box. Once you get it cranked up, it runs fine. Handy dandy little jump box. Let's see here, where's positive? Then get it swapped. Put the negative right here. Positive right here. Let's see if we get any help here. Prime it again. And it's a long vid of cranking. Trying to prime the fuel. Maybe prime the fuel pump. Man. And that's all, folks. Damn. That's a long crank.